Many fishermen around the world tie their swivels and hooks this way. First, thread your line through the eye of the swivel. Now pass your line end through the eye of the swivel again. Keep your lines parallel. Make a loop with the excess line end towards the swivel. Pass the excess line through this ring 4 to 5 times. This is actually a uni knot. When the winding process is finished, slowly tighten your knot by holding the excess line end. After tightening the knot, grab the main body and the swivel and pull them together. Cut off the excess line end after testing the strength. This knot is called the eye crosser knot. Thank you for watching.